Alright, so you guys are just now loading your machine. Probably just got delivered to you. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to let it warm up for a few hours. I don't care if you're in the south or not, just let the machine get acclimated to its new home. One of the common things that I've keep getting phone calls about, which is one of the reasons I decided to make this video, is how to put the candle on top of the machine. As you'll see, there is actually a lock on the side of this machine over here. Bring that over here. There's a lock right here, and you're going to use this brass key. That's where that lock goes, or that's this brass key goes in that lock. You don't ever need to use this key unless you're on the phone with us. Do not use this key unless you're on the phone with us. This gets into your settings and screws up your machine if you're not on the phone with us. To get your actual candle to go on top of the machine, you've got your candle right here is your trim piece. Right underneath here, there's a little latch here. All you have to do is pull this out. Okay, see this little indentation? All you got to do, pull that out. Some machines are going to have printers up here, and then on this machine, it's got a printer down here. So if you have a printer up top, just pull your printer out about 5-6 inches. Push up on your glass, and pull out on it. Okay. Then you're going to put your candle on top. Candle on top here. It's gonna have screws. You're gonna screw it in, and then you're gonna find the plug that it goes into, which is right here. You plug it in. The candle's up there on top. I'm gonna throw it back in here for shipping purposes. We take the candles off when they're shipped because they get broken, and then I gotta send you another candle out, and it's just a hassle. So put your glass back in, and you're gonna want to put your trim piece back in here. Like this, and shut your machine. Now, on the instructions that you're going to get in your email and on the machine, it's going to say press in your CPU board and your I/O card. So I'm going to do that with the machine off. You want to do this with the machine off. This right here is your CPU board. Okay, all you have to do is just make sure it's pushed in all the way. Sometimes it gets rattled during shipping or loops. It's just a precautionary thing. Push in on it. It's in all the way. This is your I/O card right here, right next to it. You should be fine. It's probably pressed in all the way. And then there's one here on the door. Okay? Now, to get your money out, if you ever have to reset this, I'm pulling on this. It's not coming out. There's a little lever right here. Just push down and you pull out. When you put it back in, go up at an angle and it'll lock in there. To reseat this is your bill acceptor. Push down on this, pull it out toward you. That's all you have to do. Now I'm going to turn my machine back on, and I want you guys to watch me close this door, because this is a common thing too. You guys aren't closing your door all the way. All you do, put your key, turn it, go up. Sometimes you got to pick up on the door a little bit, and then just slide it down. Show them here how the little latch is all the way down. See that latch? It's all the way down. And the machine takes a minute for it to set up. You should be good to go. That's all you need to do. Also, one other thing while I have you guys on here. Leave your machine on all the time if you can. They don't turn them off at the casinos. You'll want to run your cord back to this back hole back here in the back. And then we put everything on a power strip. And if you do need to turn it off, just turn it off and on from your power strip and just leave your machine on. This is your on and off switch right up here in the top right hand corner. One other thing, you'll want to check. Sometimes there's this, show them this plug back here. Okay, this will come loose during shipping. This plug right back here. So make sure that that's pushed in all the way too. So, but other than that, that's really the basics of the slot machine. If you got any other questions, just call me. So.